Hey there, it's Kate from wildtailsof.com, where we share about family travel and outdoor adventure. So we're hiking to Cherry Creek Falls, and Bergen wanted to show me this little secret way so you can see the top. Here's our first attraction. What kind of car is
like
it?
A car from like the 50s.
Yeah. Hear it, but you can't see it. There's the creek. Is that Margaret Creek?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's actually called Margaret Creek?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Can't go under it.
I saw a banana slug.
Wow. What was it doing?
And it was moving, and when it was moving a lot.
Wow, I wish I could have seen it. You'd think you'd want to go that way, right? But you see a sign. Beetle? It was a cool beetle. I almost thought it looked like it had hearts on its back. That's nice, isn't it? Don't go that way. Go this way.
Oh no, there's an arrow right here. I found two slugs, a banana one and this.
And a brown slug?
Yeah.
Check it out, Georgia.
Wow. It's on the car like this when it's all rub it up.
Hazard alert. Be careful with this cable. Nice. We have about 3/4 of a mile.
The mud makes it slow down.
We are 1.79 in. We're in the jungle.
This hike is fun.
Oh,
And it's also raining and it's also nature.
it's naturey. I think we're almost here. Can you hear it, Georgia?
It's the biggest mud pile I saw in my whole life.
All right, Georgia.
What are we
stay on the
gonna do?
left-hand side.
It's kind of muddy, but it's not as bad as that other way, right? Guess we avoided that.
Now this one.
Is there another one?
It's steeper, but it's littlest. That's in the water.
Of course.
Bergen says this is the last of the mud.
This is the last obstacle.
Oh, this is the
Georgia, I
last
need a step.
obstacle. Two ways. We're gonna go right. Oh, that is cool. So, ooh, you hear that? There's like a raven or some kind of big, huge bird is around us up here. Anyway, I have heard about this hike for many years and we've never been on it, and I thought, oh, I kind of thought it was out in an area that not a lot of people knew about, and I thought it would be a quiet little hike. Well, it's not exactly the case. It's been a little bit on the crowded side, so I would recommend coming on the weekdays, but It's a 5-mile hike, but in terms of the terrain, there's not a lot of hills. There's some up and down. So it's great for kids that are a little older. We saw lots of kids in carriers as well. But yeah, on a warm day, I think this would be a really, really, really crowded hike. Luckily, it's later in the afternoon, so it's starting to clear out. Wow!
Yeah, if they fixed it up and made it and painted it and scrubbed it all up, they could.
Was that you back in the day? You crashed your car down here? Did you get up the warp wall? Yes! Press the buzzer! Woohoo! You got it. He's got you. Woo! What you doing?
I'm tired.
Oh, you're tired? You can make it. We're almost there. We're almost there.
I like this hike.
Woo!
This is how I get them to come.
And then they swoop over your head with their talons. Can you give us a tutorial on that?
For a big old piece of grass.
Okay, look for a
That's pretty
big,
fat.
fat piece
This
of grass.
is a good one, actually.
Got your grass.
And you hold it between one finger like this.
Flat side.
tight, and hold it.
Okay,
So you're holding it like that. And then you put your other one there.
same way.
See, these are actually,
They're tender.
yeah.
Okay,
And then
so you
make a
cup it. And then, well, what are you doing? That's really good. What are you
Blowing.
doing though? You just blow between your fingers. Wow, that's really good. Okay, everybody has to share their favorite part of the hike.
Okay, my favorite part of the hike was the waterfall
Yeah?
and the old cars.
Nice. What was your favorite part, Bergen?
Well, my favorite part was the old cars,
Yeah?
the like hole that I just found,
Caterpillar you just found?
and going on the top of the waterfall.
The top of the waterfall.
Bye bye. This was Bergen's fault.
Signing off. What was your favorite part of the hike?
Well, there was a section of it that was
Yeah?
very green.
My favorite part was the waterfall too. That was a really neat waterfall, and it kind of reminded me of Hawaii.
It was. It was very different than most waterfalls.
Right. Well, that's it for Cherry Creek Falls. Don't forget your shoes that you can get muddy. Don't forget your bug spray. Don't forget your mask. And we hope you're staying happy and healthy. And we hope you are able to get out and have some brave, wild